Figure it out. Go get it. Go get it. Go get the birdie. Go on. Go get it. Go get it. Wow, that was good. Get the birdie. You got the birdie. Go get it. Go get it. You threw it in this time. Yeah, you're the one who threw it in this time. Yeah, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. I see it. I see the birdie right there. It's right there. Get it. You want it, Mitzi? You want the birdie? Go get it. Get it, Mitz. Get it. Oh, there we go. If no one else will play with Mishka, Mishka will play with the toys all by herself. Get it. Gonna do a double there? Think that's gonna help? Oh. Okay. Find your way back. Find your way back. There you go. Good girl. Good girl. I bet you're tired now. What you got? What you got? What you got? Huh? 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 What you got? What you gonna do with it next? Huh? What you gonna do with it? All right. Okay. All right. Mommy will throw it. Come on. What? Hey! Hey! Come here. Keep away, huh? Go play keep away now? Go get it, Mitz. Go get it. Nope. You don't want to go get it? Oh, Mishka's going to go get it. All right. The end.